Let's have a look now at some of the highlights from day 2 here at Sibos 2020, where the theme was responsible innovation. And there was plenty to talk about. A brilliant blend of voices from traditional financial institutions to cutting-edge technologists. One of the highlights was Todd Gibbons, CEO of BNY Mellon, who took to the virtual stage with Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, to discuss the transformation in financial services.
You know, the other thing that we're doing along here is we're partnering with third-party providers like you, but we're with also other third-party providers and fintechs that oftentimes can be more innovative, and we're taking advantage of that and enabling them to distribute their apps more effectively on our platform. So we view partnerships in this new world as extremely important. You know, when two firms come together like us and we merge technology and engineering capabilities as well as deep subject matter expertise, it's amazing what we can learn from each other and what we can do for our clients.
We build technology so that BNY and all the others at Sibos can build more technology, because after all, you have your own software capability and we want to be an enabler of that. And so being in touch with that mission, renewing it, of course, lots has changed since 75 in terms of the technology paradigm, but our core identity and purpose has not changed. So that has been very helpful.
The second day also saw other big-name speakers in the Views from the Top series, including NatWest CEO Alison Rose, who highlighted how the financial industry has a responsibility to act on climate change.
It's important to be clear that positive climate change is not a competitive sport. We will not be able to do this on our own. This is about collaboration across the industry, collaboration with sector-leading experts, collaboration with customers and government, because this is going to need everybody to help support. My view is we can and we must do more. We have to explore the ways to leverage our influence to drive exponential progress on this area. By this, I mean looking beyond the walls of our organizations, beyond our sectors, and beyond geographical boundaries. We have to challenge ourselves to think and act as global citizens, as stakeholders in our planet's future. It's one of those things where it is absolutely a non-competitive sport. We've all got to leverage off the expertise and the impact we can have.
The big issue debate looked at how the industry has coped with the disruption the pandemic has brought to the workforce.
I think one of the strengths of the banking sector is actually you don't have a bank in the world that don't have a code of conduct. It's critical for what we do. I mean, like we are here to manage risk and to support the customer through it. And that's core to what we are doing. It's very interesting. You use an example where actually it's not only a bank that we are involved, but actually also working with big techs. And I think this question, as now innovation is paramount, to get out of the pandemic. Now that innovation is mostly going through digital, and digital is not the destination. Digital is just a mean in order to achieve our bigger purpose that requires more transparency, changing part of the infrastructure of the way financial services work. And maybe it will take 10 years, maybe it will take 15 years, maybe 30. I don't know that. But for sure, that's where we are heading.
A flavour of some of the key moments so far here at Sibos 2020. Day 3 has the sub-theme, The Future of Finance. And we're going to be hearing from a wide range of experts, including Matt Comey, the CEO of Commonwealth Bank of Australia. And finally, if you haven't already, make sure you downloaded the latest version of the Sibos app for the best conference and networking experience. Enjoy Day 3 at Sibos 2020.